Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope all of you are doing well at social distancing. My name is Muhammad Usman Riyad and I am the founder of the Lalpur Debating Club. It's my distinct pleasure in introducing to you the LDC, which is Pakistan's first social charity youth-based debating organization, which we hope will provide an outlet to the students and scholars all over the Pakistan.
Lalpur Debating Club is such an organization which hopes to break the racial, social and religious barriers which have been constructed by our own imaginations and do not constitute the basis to judge a person upon. The only way to do this is to impart our future, to impart our youth.
We are a diverse team, ranging from different backgrounds all under one roof. And we are ensuring to play our integral part in society's progress and development, and in our country's future. And for that, we are planning to have different events all around to achieve that common goal.
We understand, we comprehend that you may sometimes feel disoriented or angered by the multiple issues, by the multiple problems around the world, which definitely pose a threat to the very stance of morality that hold us together, but standing on the sidelines while immoral acts are being committed is not the clear answer.
No, we need to start action, and in fact start it right now. All youth need a platform, that credible platform that gather everyone to create the great awareness of racial discrimination, human rights violation, education, poverty, climate change, and all other issues that badly affect our community across the globe.
How do we do that? We know that it's highly unfeasible for students and children, the most vulnerable in our society, to hold physical events on regular basis, especially under the COVID-19 situation. But we do have a plan.
Technology, we can utilize it for our ends. We organize events through an online medium while ensuring the fact that the quality of the experience remain unimpaired.
This is why in the coming days, we will be organizing multiple activities such as online debating events, live podcast regarding an array of issues, and socially distanced ground events.
We live in a country where a person who can sign his own name is considered to be literate. That is not literacy. And even if we do consider reading or writing as the basis of literacy, that is not all. Real education and literacy is based upon having new experiences, education, and gaining awareness of different fields of life. It basically means to nurture yourself both mentally and spiritually.
Therefore, we encourage all of you watching this video to join us in this venture. The only question you need to ask yourself is, what will you do with your newfound love for debating, extraordinary oratory skills, and blasted knowledge?
We have a strong and strict non-discriminatory policy. We pride ourselves on the fact that we do not proceed on biased grounds in terms of ethnicity, social, religious, and economic hierarchy.
Learn from the best to be the best.
To get more updates regarding the LDC and its activities, stay tuned and alert on our social media pages.
Let's break the barrier, set new heights, and destroy the narrative that divides us as a society.
Because you can.
Because you can.
Because you can. Because you can.
Because you can.
Because you can.
Because you can.
It's because you can. Because you can.
Because you can.
Because you can.